boys and dreamers. This is our second home DIY haircut. So this time will be a lot easier because last time Linda's hair is like a cage man or cage woman. You can check on the link if you're interested.
Cave, not cage.
Oh, cave. Sorry. Cave.
Well, lockdown, but
Cave woman. So let's see. I have my gadgets over here.
So we're gonna include the first video in the description. It didn't look like this the first time around.
Just so you know, once again, I am not professional. This is my third time in my entire life cutting anybody's hair, right? I cut Linda's hair, I cut my bestie's hair, and that's it.
No, and Mr. Piccolo.
Oh, yes, I cut my bestie's dog's hair. I don't know if that counts because that's one customer that would never complain. I saw their street for him. You can again check on the link if you want to. Okay. So we're gonna start from the back. I am going to maybe trim a little, right, darling? Are you nervous?
Yes, again, I'm nervous.
Oh, there's no wine this time.
No wine this time. I believe in you, babe.
Okay. The problem is, I don't believe in myself. We will see.
So baby, just
God, I wish I had some whiskey right now.
like really, just like the first time you did it.